YouTubers. This is School Supplies Part 2. We're going to look at my snacks for school. The first one is Goldfish.
They're yummy, huh?
Yeah. Well, this one is Cheez-It, but they have other kind of food.
Yeah, well this is a special snack mix. It'll be really like a trail mix kind of thing. You picked these out.
Yeah, they're Oreos and they're mint kind.
For breakfast, if we're on the go real quick, you
Yep.
can have a chocolate cherry trail mix Nature Valley granola bar.
Yay! And last one is Ninja Turtles gummies.
I surprised you with these, didn't I?
Yeah.
That's going to be for your snack, for snack time, because you get lunchtime and snack time at kindergarten.
Here, there's red. Well, there's Raphael is red. Green is Treader. Well, who's this?
Leonardo.
Blue is Leonardo. And who is this guy?
Michelangelo.
The orange is Michelangelo. And the purple is Donatello. And the yellow is Splinter.
Oh, very cool. Here, let's open it up and take one out because we need to put one into your snacks.
I got one, and it has turtles in it, so that's okay.
This one I think will be for home. It's V8 Fusion, 100% juice. And you remember the flavor you picked out?
Yeah, it's banana strawberry.
Strawberry banana, very good. Different types of juice boxes, so if you don't get milk for lunch.
Oh, it's juice. Capri Sun.
And there's Super V, so there's fruits and vegetables. And it's a fruit punch is this kind. And this kind is apple, even though it has fruit and vegetable. Which one did you want, fruit punch or apple for today?
I want this one for today.
Fruit punch today? Okay. But we got the Purell Advanced, Jumbo Dry Erase Markers, and the Fine Point. This is all from Target. 2 pink erasers. Needed a binder. I don't know whatever happened at Trapper Keeper. That's what they have when Mommy grew up. But what kind of binder did you get?
Spider-Man.
Mm-hmm. Would have been your back-to-school shirt. They only had long sleeve. I don't know why. But we'll wear that another day. This I thought was really cool. It's a reusable sandwich and snack bag. Stay fresh. Thermal lining. Ooh, very nice. There. Did Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. And we also got pencils at Target. Ticonderoga is a good brand because they already came sharpened. I had to go to Office Depot. We needed to get 4 packs of 24 crayons. Office Depot had everything already lined up pretty much in the front of their store, which was great. There's 3.
1 blue scissors.
Discar's brand. Okay. We also got him hand sanitizer that you can hook onto his backpack. There's that 4th one of crayons. You got to pick out plastic folders, pockets, and no brads. That was not an easy thing to do. One thing, so we got a thing of school glue.
The first one was a penguin. The second one was the dolphin. And the third one was the monster.
Monster.
The fourth one is a chameleon.
He's so cute. Okay, so with all the school supplies, it's a tight fit. Okay, so in the Ninja Turtles lunch, we have the Goldfish and the juice. I just finished making Connell's peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I'll put the Goldfish on top so it doesn't smush it. There we go.
Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and like my video. Bye.